With that being said, when you invoke the goddess Ishtar, think about the potential you have to spring something forward.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Invoking the goddess Ishtar Inanna.
Uh-oh. You know what we gotta do. FDMG is coming, FDMG is coming, FDMG is coming, FDMG.
Happy New Year to the family. We're springing forward and birthing anew. It's a new time, a new day. And with every season, it brings new energy. Ishtar Inanna was the goddess of love, war, sex, protection, fate, childbirth, marriage, and storms. All of these energies boil down to one thing: chaos. Chaos in the blood. The womb of creation and the manifestation of it all.
Okay.
Inanna, Ishtar, the morning star, the light bringer, is going to put you in the space of creation, birthing something new, as Ishtar is the fertility goddess. Now, I don't want you to think or believe that the goddess has something to do with Easter. Let that shit go and let the automatons have their holidays. We have to start moving past the ideologies of we're going to line up all these Christian holidays with invoking energies.
Nope.
No. These gods, goddesses are simply energy streams. And these energy streams are components inside of you. Yes, you. Your own universe. So when we remove ourselves from the masses and start to do our own thing, we start to understand that we can create whatever we deem celebratory and memorable. You're in the world, but you're not of the world.
Die!
You're still mind controlled if you even believe you have to partake or feel some type of way that others are celebrating a bunny with an egg up his ass. Hey, do as thou wilt. And understand, when you're invoking these energy streams, you're tapping into latent powers that lie dormant within you.
Message!
With that being said, when you invoke the goddess Ishtar, think about the potential you have to spring something forward. It's chaos, potential energy, and it's you having the potential to birth something new into this world. Go get the book Inanna by Diane Wolfstein and Samuel Noah. A queen becomes pregnant, and she could be pregnant with a boy or girl. One child, twin, sextuplets. She could be pregnant with a Bobby Hemmett or a Bobby Brown. This is chaos. The potential is rumbling over in the womb of creation. Invoke the goddess Ishtar and tap into your dark underworld self. Subconscious mind. Dream wise.